ang inyo pong mga nakasama mula po noong 2001.
Okay, magandang gabi sa lahat. First of all, congratulations sa inyo sa ating planning session. Maraming congratulations. Of course, Mayor Gia, Vice Mayor Jonella, sa ating mga konsehal, sa mga department heads. Of course, I'm very happy that this tradition was continued. And I think it became very effective. No? Sabi nga kanina ni Atty. Dacalos, ang hirap dati kasi kaya namin ginawa to, ang hirap i-contain sa Maynila. Di ba? Lahat lumalabas. At least dito contain kayo. Sa susunod nga, sabi ko kung meron lang kung ako lang yung mayor, lalagay ko sa isla para wala talaga umalis sa inyo. Para wala tumakas. Di ba? But anyway, more than that, at least yung mga good practices ng ibang cities, we are able to compare. And that's the reason why we forged sisterhood agreement with other cities. No? So at least we learned, they learned from us also. At swerte na lang din natin, bira mo 2001, mula noon hanggang ngayon, hanggang 2013, lagi ako opposition. At least yung isang sister city natin, naging kong presidente pa ang mayor. So ngayon medyo kakampi naman tayo ng konti. First time. At anyway, siguro in the last term of Mayor Gia, all I can say is, siguro, being a former mayor, siguro, all of you know that I always ask everybody to be loyal to the institution. Di ba? Hindi namin kayo pinipilit maging loyal sa personality o sa amin. Di ba? Kaya nga, masyado akong mabait. Di ba? Kahit iba naglaro-laro, okay lang. Di ba? Basta, wala na yun. We move forward. Di ba? And alam ko naman, kayo yung most of the department heads here and most of the employees know how we handle San Juan. We really are, hindi kami politiko, public servant kami. And we wanted only the best for San Juan. Hindi natin mararating yung inabot natin, lalo na sa mga bago nating kasama o bagong mga konsehal, hindi natin kasama. Kasama na natin pala, sorry. Stand corrected. Mabuti na nakita nyo ngayon nung 1.6 billion, 1.5 billion. Nung nagsimula kami, 300 million lang yan. Hindi yan overnight. Magic, sabi nga ni Atty. Dacalos, naging 1 billion. Pinaghirapan ho namin yan. Performance ang aming base. Sorry kung hindi kami kasing galing ninyo magmulitika ng aming mga kalaban. Yung mga people forget. Nakalimutan lang, mahaling nakalimutan, pero ganun yun. That's politics. It's a thankless job. We'll still do good anyway. Yan ang sabi ko. Politics is a thankless job. What we will still do good anyway. Papakita pa rin natin. And my mother, last term, that we will, all of our promises, we will do it. Gagawin po natin. No? We have loved San Juan so much that we gave up everything, no? For San Juan. Kami na siguro may pagmamalaki namin siguro kahit sino sa inyo that siguro kami lang laging abonado rito. Karamihan ng most of the public officials, when they started and when they ended, probably they are richer and better financially. Mukhang kami lang ang poorer than we entered public service. Totoo yun. Siguro alam nila lang yun. Alam na malapit yan. That only goes to show hindi kami nagsamantala sa San Juan. At alam niya, we never took advantage of our position. Okay? Diba? So, yun na lang. All I can ask for you is to support and do whatever you can to help Mayor Gia's last term ma-realize and will be able to deliver what we can as promised to the people of San Juan. Siyempre, meron pa rin naman umaasa doon sa atin, lalong-lalo na yung mga those who are blessed in life, especially sa medical center, sa mga housing, then we still give it to them. No? We will still give, at least ma-prove natin that that is public service. Okay? Okay? So, Okay, hanggang dito na lang. Alam niyo naman ako kasi, sabi ni Grace, ano ba ako daw ang father ng man behind the success of San Juan and the man behind the success of San Juan and the nemesis of Team San Juan. Kahit palabasin niyo akong pinakamasamang tao, whatever I've done, whatever we have done, kitang-kita naman eh. Hindi naman pinulot sa kung saan yung video na yan. Pinaghirapan namin yan at hindi namin kinamgam. Kami lang siguro ang lalabas. Pagkatapos, ang aming mga termino, ang pinayaman namin, hindi ang aming sarili ko, hindi ang bayan. Okay? So with that, again, sana naman tulungan nyo yung last term. At least we will have a lasting legacy. Meron kami na iwan, being true public servants. Yun lang, baka may masabi pa ako. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. The man behind the success of San Juan City Government, Senator Joseph Victor Ejercito. Meron pong reaction ng ating City Mayor.
Mag-PPS lang ako, postscript. Vice Janela, lahat ng mga sanggunian, panglusod. Wala ka kasi kanina eh. United na po kami lahat. No? Unahin ko na po yung aming apat. Warren? Kasama ka ba namin ngayon? Promise? Promise. Oya, Taquino? Oh, yes. Miss Joy Buna? Ay, Miss Joy Leoy pala. Ay, kasi very close si JV sa kay... Yes. No. So, and of course, Mr. Consi Ardadi. So, united na ho pa kami at saka huwag kang mag-alala. All the department heads, binoto na nila ako lahat. O sige na, baka kung ano rin ang masabi ko.